In the cold silence of space, something stirred, a faint glimmer beyond the red dust of Mars. The lost traveler, 3I Atlas, was back, but it wasn't supposed to be there. It reappeared in coordinates no telescope had predicted, millions of miles off course. A re-entry that defied logic, as if the universe itself made a mistake. Astronomers stared in disbelief. It wasn't returning, it was choosing where to appear. For centuries, we trusted the universe to play by its own rules, gravity, motion, and light. But Atlas didn't just bend those laws, it ignored them. Equations collapsed, simulations failed. If this was real, then physics wasn't truth anymore. It was just an old story. Somewhere between reason and chaos, a new kind of order was emerging. Weeks earlier, Atlas had been perfectly tracked, orbit stable, velocity precise. Then, without warning, the signal vanished. No tail, no debris, no trail. As if someone had pressed delete on reality. Astronomers waited for reflection, but the sky stayed silent. Then one night, Atlas appeared again, light years from its last known position. It hadn't traveled, it had jumped. No acceleration, no trail, just existence. The data called it a glitch. The scientists called it impossible. Was it pulled by an unseen planet, or dragged by a black hole's hidden gravity? Or had we stumbled upon new physics, forces beyond human understanding? The world's top physicists stopped talking and started whispering. Outside the labs, another idea took shape. What if Atlas wasn't a rock, but a machine? What if it wasn't lost, but sent? A probe not drifting, but observing? And what if it reappeared, just to remind us we're not alone? If it can appear anywhere, it can appear here. If it breaks the laws of motion, nothing can stop it. Not missiles, not orbits, not even the sun. The universe was no longer ours to predict. Now every telescope on Earth is locked on its path. But how do you predict something that ignores prediction? 3I Atlas keeps moving, closer to the inner planets. It's back, it's moving, and it's heading inward. But the question remains, what does it want? And when it reappears again, will it still just be watching?